I'm Suki. Welcome to Elite Friday live stream from Elite Partner Event. The Elite Partner Event is a monthly showcase of some of the top brand and manufacturer suppliers across different industries. We are aimed to help global buyers make confident sourcing decisions and scale up businesses. With increased sourcing efficiency and maximize profit through up-to-date products and professional services provided by third-party verified brands or manufacturers. Elite Partner Event, an easy and efficient way to find reliable industrial-related suppliers. Be a verified partner, verified by third-party inspection companies on Alibaba. We have the certification on our back road. At least a 94% average response rate, at least a 4.9 or 5-point overall rating and on-time shipment rating, at least 10 years of industry experience. That Arkref has already had 30 years experience in refrigeration industry. Annual export volumes exceeding at $10 million. Strong research and design and production capabilities. Today, I will introduce you to much elite partner, Arkref. Who is Arkref? For those who are not familiar to our brand, here are some important things you need to know. Arkref is actually the brand name of Shandong Shenzhou Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited. The company is specialized in research, design, production, sales, and service of refrigeration equipment. It has obtained ISO 9001 and 2008 Quality System certification and CE certification. Factory is located in Shenzhen High-Tech Park of Zhangqiu, Jinan City, China. Its mainly product including piston compressor unit, screw parallel compressor unit, low temperature brine chiller, condensing unit, CO2 casket unit, CO2 transcritical unit, and the CO2 secondary refrigeration system, screw compressor units, and barrel pump units, also with supporting with overseas service and electronic control system installation guidance, etc. Here are some projects of our company that I used to do. One project is that we do for one car that is located in all over China. The project is mainly about large logistic cold room. We supply the whole refrigeration system for their cold storage. And the second one is what we did for the vacancy cold storage room with ultra low temperature at minus 18 degrees to storage the COVID virus vaccines. And the third one is what we designed for 2020 Beijing Winter Olympic Games. We supply the equipment for the refrigeration of their ice rink, which has a very good performance and electronic saving performance. And the fourth one is that we did in 2020 for Bulgaria cheese factory with CO2 transcritical blast freezer system that use only one refrigeration is CO2 as a refrigerant, has a very good performance equipped with together with the thermal freezer. And the fourth and the fifth one is what we did in China for the big slaughter project that located in Shandong for Delicious Company Limited. This all projects is to showing you that how serious we are. We are the very good partner that you can choose. for the future cooperation. Back to the topic, and what we have is, as I already told before, we have the CE certification. We have the CE certification with also recognized in 2019. And also we are the distributor that has the cooperation through 30 years experience with Visitor Germany, and also we offer with very good quality cargo spare parts for the refrigeration system. And this is some famous brand that we use on our own equipment, which has a very good performance. In the meanwhile, we have attended many exhibitions in the past years for the refrigeration industry. So today's Elite, I'm going to tell you some really interesting equipment that is under production in our warehouse at this moment. I hope you have already prepared enough. So guys, I just mentioned about EPE. So where can you guys go and check out with all the benefits you met to ask? Let me to show you. First search Elite in Alibaba.com website or app search engine bar. Elite. Go to machinery, and then you will jump to go to machinery. Then when you will jump to this page. When you reach this page, you may be a big icon, and then scroll down to the Arkref event part. Go and explore the features. Elite is limited to the top brands on Alibaba.com. Here you get to connect to the Elite companies and brands. Also provide the best deal of the year. There are many Elite partner event exclusive offers that you can benefit from March 15th to April 14th, such as high demand products at low MOQ from industry top 100 brands ranked by Alibaba.com. Factory direct price with free samples and amazing discounts. Flexible payment terms including net 30 or 60 and quick dispatch as fast as 7 days. While Arkref being part of PEP, we offer one-stop cold room solution, up to 30% off for live stream, engineer field installation service. Elite Partner event is a monthly event, so remember to check back each month to discover a new cast of Elite suppliers and exclusive benefits. You can easily to get the current month Elite Partner event page by typing the word Elite into search box on Alibaba.com. Please remember to check back each month for the new supplier and offers. Shandong Shenzhou Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited, originating from Refrigeration Technology Service Department of Shandong Institution of Commerce and Technology in 1989, is a company specialized in research, design, production, sales, and service of refrigeration equipment. It has obtained ISO 9001 and 2008 quality system certification and CE certification. Our factory is located in Shenzhen High-Tech Park of Zhangqiu, Jinan City, China. Its many products including piston compressor unit, screw compressor unit, branch chiller unit, condenser unit, purity CO2 refrigeration system, secondary refrigeration system, CO2 cascade system, and screw compressor units, barrel pump unit, and we also supporting electronic control system exactly. Our products are widely applied to industrial or food, medicine, chemical, scientific, research, logistics, and brewing exactly. Its sales network covers the whole country, and the products are also being exported to South Asia, Africa, and developed countries in Europe and America. Undertaking the mission of committed to the innovation and application of refrigeration technology, strive to the good life of human beings, the company ensures the continuous improvement of product quality by using advanced SAP management system, gradually transforming the methods of pipeline production, adopting advanced production methods and equipment, and applying strict quality assurance system and control system. It has won long-term support and cooperation opportunities from the customers and has built a favorable brand image through providing a full set of refrigeration system and solution of different needs of clients. Our advantages and service is 1. We have more than 30 years manufacturing experience. We are professional refrigeration manufacturer with 33 years experience. 2. We have research and design capacity. We have established our own research and design center and formed a research and design team with strong research and design capabilities. 3. Production customers. We welcome to support OEM and ODM orders, customized according to your needs. 3. We have all kinds of certifications that I have already shown you, which is CE, Whistler, Carol, and famous brand cooperation partners. 5. Expansion. Since they established 30 years ago, Arkref has traveled all over the corners of the world, participated in 200 exhibitions, and serviced 10,000 customers. Cooperative brand. We have cooperated with 30 well-known brands around the world. Time to immersive VR showroom tour. So where can you guys go and check our VR showroom out? First, you need to type Shandong Shenzhou Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited and research. The first one is our company homepage, and choose VR. And click the VR showroom and you will jump to this page. Scroll over and you can see the product site you want to check out. You may also use the AI guide to lead you automatically through the whole room. Upper right side, you can see where you are now. When you zoom in, you can check product details and click the orange product icon. You will jump to the products and the details will pop up. You can click the chat. You can check the details in this page, and click channel or start an order. Okay, let's go through and see some products that is under production now. Let's go. This one is under the testing of the electronic test. They are doing kind of the electronic parts installation work over there. On the top is Durin compressors. This is also customers. This is Durin brand compressors. With all kinds of pressure gauge over there, you can check the running situation of each of the whole system. Now they are still at the low zero temperature because we have already released all kinds of the gas inside of the room. Let's go and check our second. This is the high temperature global water chiller that we designed for the cold room. Global water chiller use global as the refrigerant to cooling the whole system, and this one used to the front one you can see is a control box. You can control the whole system temperature once it is powered off, and check the electronic consumption in this electronic consumption panel. We have the emergency stop button, which has covered this one. It will be easy for you to control, and in case of the wrong touch. And this is the false alarm button. Once the error happens, the false alarm button will light up. And this is one we customized for the overseas market, so you can see all the mark on there with the English description. Compressor 1 switch, compressor 2 switch, and the circulation pump switch, and the separate and the backup circulation pump switch. You can turn to manual or auto as your preferable. Let's open our electronic control box to see inside. A very beautiful work that we have already done. For all the electronic control wire that we use brand firmers. As you see, PLC controller, which we use Siemens brand, and Carlo. That is all brand firmers that we have already have a long-term cooperation with them, and a very good experience on installation and commission. And Chinet, also very good quality. Omron, that's a very good quality. EVD, Carlo, very good performance, very good spare parts. And also together with the whole machine, we will packed it as we will together shipped with electronic diagram that for you check the electronic system. This will be translated to English version too. This is all English version. English version. So it is very easy for you to check and to do the to commission, installation, this kind of work. All the files will send together with our chiller. Behind of this chiller, we can see the main parts of it. Let's go. Behind this, we use two sets of CSH 50 horsepower compressor. That is a very beautiful design with a compact design. They are on one rack, and we will do all the water temperature test before shipment and also electronic test before shipment. So it is a very beautiful chiller, and which we are very specialized in. If you are interested in water chiller or the low temperature, ultra low temperature water chiller, you can ask us for inquiry. We are very specialized in the food processing industry, ultra low water temperature chiller. Okay, let's go our second equipment. This huge machine. This huge machine is like RC is CO2 and R507 secondary refrigeration system. It is for the ice cream cold storage room. The cooling capacity is around 400 kilowatts, and we can check it easily. This is a maintenance machine to release the high pressure in the barrel pump for the whole system. And this barrel is around, this circulation barrel is actually CO2 circulation barrel. It is 5 cubic meters. We design it with a compact design with two hermetic heat pump, two hermetic pump, which will be one is running and the other is backup heat pump. And also we add the filter over there. And this barrel pump that we special designed with design temperature at -40 degrees, and the pressure testing is under 5 MPa. And on the top is a heat exchanger, and then the top is a U-type oil separator. It can save much more room and save much more electronic cost of the whole cold room. This side, is the compressor unit that we use double stage handbell compressor, 3 sets of 75 horsepower. Double stage handbell compressor has one advantage is it is better performance than Bittler double stage it is a very good performance than low temperature HSN type Bittler screw compressor. The COP will be 20% higher than Bittler compressor at the low temperature working condition. Why? Because double stage is always better performance than single stage. And with higher COP the electronic saving and the low temperature working performance will be much more better. And so, if you are the owner of the very big cold room, or if you're interested, you are the engineer of you are the engineer to want to under the construction of the very big cold room, that is one of your best choice. For this one, the cold room can reach to 2,000 square meters. So just this kind of machine, no others. You can deal with all the cold rooms refrigeration system, air source, and refrigeration system, refrigeration source. Okay, let's go. This type. It also use R407 system and the CO2 system. It is already combined together for the testing. And different is this use Bittler compressor, HSN type Bittler compressor, and 2 sets of piston compressor compacted together. That is what we specialize in for the customer products. These two is used for the small cold room, and these two for the big cold room with low temperature. It can all controlled by one electronic control box over there. One electronic control box. This huge one electronic control box. Okay. The size is limited, so I'm not gonna show you guys about the big big control box. And this is also the same. We add a barrel pump control system. You can see there. This is for our Chinese market. So we have the number 2 CO2 pump, number 2 CO2 pump running, number 2 CO2, number 1 CO2 pump alarm, error, and manual and auto. Manual and auto. The liquid level is low or higher. We all have the alarm button over there. And also for the barrel pump unit, we will add one electronic control box. That's for the best performance of all the system. You can control the CO2 barrel pump separately. The inside will also, even for this very small control box, we use the Siemens control companions. You may wonder that we did so many cases. Most of them are CO2 barrel pump. Why? Because we have a very good design we have a very good design capacity on the CO2 barrel pump kind of related equipment. Why? Because CO2 has a higher pressure running in the refrigeration system. Higher pressure requires a very good pressure bearing capacity. That requires that your company have the very good, very stressful for this kind of compact design. So we have already supplied the like 14 square cubic meter CO2 barrel pump for the 2022 Beijing Winter Olympic Games for the ice rink. So that has so many Chinese owners that they believe us on the CO2 design. So most of the equipment in our system, in our cool room, is like large type cooling capacity refrigeration system. This one is a chiller, also with a U-type suction accumulator. This is handbell compressor. We use handbell most because handbell has the very good performance and also the horsepower. The horsepower for one stage is very big than Bitter because for bitter compressors for low temperature or high temperature, you may need to use 1 or 2 set compressors. But for handbell, you can only use 1 compressors, and it is running very good. This chiller is under the testing. It will be pumped in with pressure and to test whether there is leakage will there be the leakage on the welding. If there is no leakage, so we will ship it until the testing is finished. And this one, we have already added the VFD on it. That will help with the best performance of the whole system as a frequency adjustment. This huge one is also CO2 barrel pump unit. This is equivalent with one equipment that we have sold already. And I want to explain you this panel. This panel is actually the liquid panel of CO2 liquid inside of the barrel. Because you know, if the liquid level is very low, then it is not good for the air cooler refrigeration. If the liquid level is high, then it is also not very good for the refrigeration circulation. So we will use this panel to add higher the liquid level or less the liquid level, to set the liquid level at 1 data, and the whole system will running at your set number. The inside also very good performance, and if you are the owner of the very big cold room and you care about the electronic consumption kind of work, you will add one electronic consumption panel over there to check how many powers it is cost during its running. And we add this one. This one is already finished production. If it is already finished production, we will add this green button on its control box already finished and need to be tested. And after it is tested, the green button will be moved. Then it will be finished test. This is already finished the test, and we will see the other one. This is already finished production with the green button. Production finished. It is very beautiful. It uses HSN beats the compressors with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets. In China, we don't have so many limited about the shipping size because we can ship to anywhere that we want with a big truck. But for overseas market, we will design it a little shorter because the size is overall very huge and it is not very good for the shipment. We also take this to the consideration. And also this one need to mention, it also adds the technology that I mentioned of the liquid control panel and electronic consumption panel. If you don't mention it, this is the standard configuration with a big parallel compressor unit, electronic consumption panel. And this is not different because the compressor is too much. It's too many compressors, 5 sets of very big capacity compressors. So we add a Siemens smart light control panel. We usually, for the big type of compressor unit, we usually use Siemens smart light control panel. This can touch. You can see the rating system on there, the diagram on it, and also to check the temperatures of each light. That is very convenient. And this is a drawing that we will use in the production to check of each components of the drawing, the welding, and the size of the welding pipe. This kind of request will also marked on that side to make sure it will produce according to the size that we designed. This is a huge oil separator. Usually we don't design that huge, but for Chinese market it is okay. And this is the Siemens smart kind of smart PLC controller. And this one I need to mention, it's the iCloud monitor system. That we add this one, we can monitor your compressor running all over the world, whether your equipment is in China or not. We will monitor the running situation for 24 hours. Once it is alarmed, we will receive it first, and we will let you know. And the clients also available to install the app on their phone to check the running data of their system, whether it is running normally or running efficiently, or to check whether it is error happens. And you can also adjust the temperature on your phone, on your mobile phone, by using this kind of companions. Yes. That is very convenient. To check this one. This is much more smaller. That is 5 sets. This is 2 sets. So this one, for the 2 sets, we have the cooling capacity. This is 2 sets of 140 horsepower. Beat the compressor, and with HSK compressors. So also it uses liquid receiver at 600 liters, and the suction accumulator at 800 liters. It is a huge one. And that is also finished the production with the green button because it is already finished. It is ready to ship. And we add the liquid receiver over there with the vertical type, and the liquid and the oil separator over there also vertical type. Both vertical type will be save much more room because behind this do not have too much rooms in the machine room. And also As I mentioned before, Siemens Smart Type PLC controller and liquid controller, and also electronic consumption power, and with all kinds of menus on there. The inside, do you guys want to see the inside? Also very good design and very good work that we do on the electronic wire. Because for the electronic control type, it is usually very like confusion for so many customers for the conventional work. So we usually market with different size and different wire. This is also use Siemens. This have to say this. The breaker also use Siemens. Very good quality, and this also Siemens. The small one also Siemens. So we take care of too much about the qualities. We use all brand famous spare parts, accessories on the installation, and we are not only the factory to install this kind of equipment, to buy the accessories from all over the world, and we do the installation only. No, we are not that kind of company, because we need to design according to your size requirement, and we will choose the model for you, which one you need, which kind of you need. We have that kind of ability to choose the best performance accessories for you. Okay, locked already. Let's go. And this one is also bitter compressors. As I mentioned before, bitter compressors is widely used in China, and we have a very good relationship with bitter. We have 20 years relationship cooperation experience with bitter. So we are the very first agent distributors of bitter in China. That is why we choose so many bitter compressors. And the other is we have our own grain point, bitter grain point in China. So it is very easy to do the maintenance and to ship the spare parts for our clients. So that's so we make the best after-sale service. They also use Siemens Smart Line. If you want me to list the top 3 cooperation partners of the refrigeration industry, I will say first, Bitter, and the second, Carol, and third one may be Siemens or LG or AMG. This is all the famous brands. I can't tell you which one is on the top, but we have the same cooperation history and the cooperation quantity. Means every year our annual purchase quantity is almost the same from these companies, because for the equipment, we always use this kind of brand famous companies that can guarantee our very good quality and a very good after sale service for the replacement and for the maintenance and commission, this kind of work. And this is our production line. The great point one we have already seen enough. That is all finished production. This is our installation line. That is under the installation. This one I think it might be the most beautiful compressors, the unit in our warehouse. It is all bitter oil-free compressors. It uses CO2 as the refrigerant. Only CO2, no others. Let's check with the compressor. You can see. For CO2, you can't use copper pipe because CO2 has very high pressure on the system. So you must use stainless pipe. This has a very good performance on the pressure bearing. And our system designed for the CO2 transcritical system can up to max 120 bar for the system. So it requires a very good pressure bearing capacity. This is not welding. This is not welding now. You can check this. We have a very good cut line, and after welding, this will be all filled. This is just for you to check what we have to weld in the future and what we must weld. For all the system, no, you can check the system, no copper pipes. All SS 304 pipe. That will make sure the refrigerant running in the whole system won't have any leakage on the whole system. So once it is installed, once the installation and production finished, I will show all of you about our equipment of the CO2, pure CO2 system. So if you like the equipment that I introduced you before, please follow us and give us more and more likes. If you follow us, you will get the very first news that I update to you. Let's go diving. This one, I think it will be finished that in 1 month, because the CO2 system always takes too much work. And the very difficult one has already finished is the installation of the CO2 compressors. And that two HSK series compressors, and also under the production. You can check what we done. Check our building. Beautiful, right? Check our building. What kind of work we do. And this is before welding, and this is after welding. We have done very good work on the welding. That will ensure the whole system have no leakage while it is running. Very good work. This is also the same. Very good weldings and very good weldings. Compare. You can compare these two. This is before weld. This is under weld. Very good performance. Very good technology on the welding work. Let's go and check what our welding workers is doing now. This one also use the SS 304 tube, and with a very good design, very compact design. It can save much more room on the machine room. Yes. Look at this. Okay, for all the machines that you have already seen, we will see something different on that side. That is our standard production line. Our standard product is usually air-cooled condensing unit, standard, but with a very beautiful outside look. Let's go. This is a compressor. This is a CO2 compressor. Usually our clients may need us to shift the CO2 compressor for the replacement. If you are the maintenance company or the engineer company to do the maintenance job, and if you want to buy the replacement compressors or backup compressors, we are the, as I mentioned before, we are the 20 years cooperation partners from Weser. We offer original quality of Weser compressors, which is made in Germany. And also, We have the very good delivery time, very good price, and very good after-sales service. Many people may ask what's the difference between the original compressor and the fake kind of compressor. First one, they don't have this kind of work. They don't have this kind of files of the Bristol original. Second one, the outside work must to be beat the market. Not to be better. Better technology limited. That is two sides that have to be the original. If you are not sure with whether your compressor is original, you can send us your compressor pictures. We can answer your questions for free. We are friends, so you are free to send any of your questions. Okay, let's go. To see our standard products of the air-cooled condensing unit. When you're working in our warehouse, you will see, when you're working at our workshop, you will see, wow, so many huge machines that is under construction. How the workers do that kind of job. We have so many ways to working at this job. One thing, this is one of the products that is our R&D team just designed. A cabinet and a displayer for the small convenience store, and we have the control box over there. Also very beautiful, but it is under the testing now. And we have the maintenance over there. We have the machine there. Oh, not easy to machine, yeah, cooling machine, and combined with the cabinet for the food and products display over there, and which will be very good outside look and very suitable for the small convenience store. Check this. These two pieces together, very, very beautiful. So if you own your own convenience store or you have one small shop you want to show, you check this inside, very, very beautiful. You can put the beverage over there, and you can put the milk or food over there. The shape is also very good, very beautiful. Yes, wine, red wine over there. Very good to store it. I like this equipment very much. You can check this. Very good performance. Very good, right? Amazing. This can also used for the flower shop. If you're the owner of the flower shop, you can use this to storage your flowers. This have a very good price. If you are interested, just send us your request. We will send you the solution on it. Let's go. Chiller, small chiller. You check with this small chiller with a very small design, save much more room and very good performance, and supply the low temperature water, very good. And on the top we add a heat fan. It will lower the temperature while the compressor is overrunning. And to keep sure it clamp down and with a very good running rate, so the water will be circulation all the time. The performance will be also very good, and it is very easy to install. You only need to combine the water pipe with this system and connect to power it off. Then it can run automatically. Very good. So for the chiller, what you bought is convenient, and is convenient, and also a very easy solution for the low temperature water. And this one is the standard equipment line. And before the shield, it has this. It has the compressors placed first. We will install the under type, and you can check this from the bottom. I check this from the bottom. The inside we will install the compressors first, and the suction accumulator, the liquid receiver, and the heat exchanger, and all the pipes is inside of this shell. This shell is waterproofed and also snowproofed, and you do not need to build extra machine room. Very good for the usage that you do not have so much rooms to storage to keep your equipment. You don't need to build an extra machine room, and it will save much more construction cost. And on the top is our air-cooled condenser. Very good performance, and our logo, Shenzhen Refrigeration. So if you're interested, please follow our channel and give us more and more likes. I will show you more details later. This tab is also the same. This is one bunch of the products is customized for one of our clients. Move on. This production line is also the same. We have the this type, the net type, and also this type, the white type and the black type. You can choose the color that you like. And this case is very good and very strong foam. Let's go. Also, these are all the standard air-cooled condenser, and big type, small type. This is small type. We built a small shell for our equipment. Inside is our small type air-cooled condenser. And for the outside looking, we will give it all the. We will power all the color on it, and also it has the usage of the waterproof and to keep the pipe inside. Okay, if you want me to choose like the top 3 equipment in our workshop, I will choose it for you. The first one will be our CO2 refrigeration compressor equipment, and the second one will be our industrial chiller, and the third one will be our barrel pump unit. For the interviewers that in our live stream that you are not familiar with the information we taught before, I will give you one more description of our equipment, specialized equipment. So the first one is CO2 unit. Let's go. So first one is our CO2 unit. Check. CO2 refrigeration system is our best system. We are the top CO2 cold storage and equipment manufacturer in China. We provide CO2 refrigeration equipment, including CO2 power line unit, CO2 supercritical unit, CO2 transcritical unit, and CO2 barrel pump skid unit, etc. Our CO2 power unit adopts the German compressors, which are used in quick freezing internal and low temperature cold storage, etc. Our CO2 supercritical units and transcritical units are widely used in laboratories and large logistic cold storage. And CO2 barrel pump skids are the most widely used for 1 cubic meter to 40 cubic meter. Design pressure is maximum is 120 bar. On the low temperature side, also we use booster technology and flash gas, which makes a better performance of the whole system. Related air cooler and system valves are also available to provide. As a CO2 now is very popular in Europe companies and USA countries, so our equipment also have the related certification as a CE certification. Also for the guidance and installation, we have overseas engineers can be on site. This is our chiller, is under construction. Industrial chiller is our second specialized product. Arkref is professional at low temperature industrial chiller manufacture. We focus on dairy processing, chemical, medical, raw material production, and processing industry. Supply ultra low bring local chiller. The water outlet temperature can be at -20 degrees. Siphon chiller with B2 temperature HSN series. The water outlet temperature can reach -40 degrees. Siphon double stage chiller with handle double stage compressor LT series. Water outlet temperature can reach -60 degrees. Chiller performance will be hot tested before shipping. That is a unique design technology of Arkref. Price and quality are competitive than other European countries. This is our barrel pump unit. CO2 barrel pump unit is widely used as a barrel pump skid. Now we design it for the big logistic cold room and cold storage. It can be designed at maximum 14 cubic meter with high pressure bearing capacity and large liquid storage ability and long distance of the high range with hermetic pumps. CO2 barrel pump unit can be widely used on the secondary refrigeration for the update of the current Freon cooling system and NH3 system. It is good choice at these requirements of the environmental friendly cooling system, and it has lower cost of the consumption than Freon and NH3 cooling, especially for the big cold room project. If you are the owner of a cold room and wants to update the current equipment of CO2 system in the future, you can start with the replace with the CO2 barrel pump skid and air coolers first. That will be the efficient way to change the old equipment step by step. We also design it as a site suitable for the sea transport, and we have the engineer for your solution design and the installation guidance. Our parallel compressor unit. Arkref supply piston compressor unit and screw compressor unit with maximum 10 sets on one rack, with the cooling capacity in 500 kilowatts on one rack. Normally used with the compressor HSN series, CSH series with big capacity, together with electronic control box. Liquid receiver, oil separator, oil collector, suction accumulator, famous brand valves such as Danfoss, Emerson, AMC, etc. Others with Siemens, LG, Carroll, etc. Top class configuration and best performance. equipped with the air cooler inside the cool room, together to supply a wonderful cooling system. So if you have any questions, you can leave your comments in the comment area. I will answer your questions. Any questions? So first is, what is Elite Partner Event? Elite Partner Event is, what is Elite Partner Events? And the Elite Partner Events is monthly showcase of some of the top brand and manufacturer supplier across different industry. It's an easy and efficient way to find reliable industry-leading suppliers who qualifies as elite partner suppliers. Each elite partner suppliers is a verified supplier, verified by third-party inspect companies on Alibaba.com with great records and high ranking in key categories like response rate and on-time shipment. All elite partner suppliers are typical have 10 or more than 10 years of experience and export value of over $10 million per year. What exclusive benefits does Elite Partners event offer? There are many exclusive offers that you can benefit from monthly Elite Partner events across accessing to 10 products at factory directly price, exclusive call discount, free samples, net 30 or 60 payment, and dispatch times as fast as 7 days. How can I get event page to learn more about Elite Partners? You can find the Elite Partner event page by typing the word Elite into the search box on Alibaba.com. And remember to check back each month for new suppliers and offers. Okay, here are some factory-related questions. First one, does our factory have the MOQ, minimum order quantity? Actually, for big equipment, we don't have the MOQ request, and usually our MOQ is one set is okay. Second one, can I print my logo and customize the color? Yes, very good. We are good at offering that kind of service. Our logo can be printed and customized. At this site, you can print your logo over there, and also the rank and the overall color is available to customers. Now we have the silver and the dark and the dark. We now have the silver type overall looking and the dark type overall cover looking. Dark gray and silver is optional. Okay, then can you get the sample? Actually, this kind of huge machine don't have samples, but if you are interested in refrigeration system and you have something want to be replaced and something broke down, want to get a replacement, you can ask us for the sample at like the expansion valve or solenoid valve or coil, which is very easy to transport. That is no problem. What is the delivery time? Usually, for the machine, the delivery time is about 45 hours, 45 days, 30 days is very common. And for the products that we already have stock, like the compressors, bitter compressors, or cargo spare parts, 2 or 5 days is enough. What payment do you support? We can get the payment from Alibaba Pay Link. TT bank transfer is also preferable. What is the shipping cost? Actually, it's depending on the port of the destination. If you are interested in it, you can send us a message about the shipping cost check. Are you the factory? Yes, we are absolutely the factory. Because in our factory, I'm wearing our factory's clothes. And our business is based on our factories. What kind of service does we provide? We provide the solution design, and we provide the after-sales service. Overseas commission and guidance is also available. Discount for big quantity. Okay, you can, if you are the buyer with big quantity, you can contact our sales manager window about this. We were very glad to figure the best price for you. Why your price is higher than other suppliers? Okay, we offer the best suppliers. We also best service and strict quality control. That our cost on the management is higher. We don't attract customers by low price, but we hope to create a long-term relationship because of our reliable quality and professional after-sales service. Do I need to pay freight before I get a sample? Yes, please understand the freight would be on your side, but if we can get the situation for big order, we will talk about it and see if we can deduct the freight from your first payment to us. Location of our company, I have already told you before, our company is located in Shangjing High-Tech Park of Zhangqiu, Jinan City, China. We have our own office building and production line there. We also have 30 years experience in our R&D team. We established 10 years or more new products annually. What do you have? We have professional designer and of refrigeration equipment. How does you guarantee quality? We have the professional quality check team who have their strict protocol to follow during their everyday work. We support third-party inspection too. If you want to know much more about our product, you can leave us message. You can leave us message and send us your business card. We will give you the catalog of our equipment. Our loading port is available in Qingdao, Shenzhen, Guangzhou, Shanghai is also available. And the items can be FOB, CIF is also okay? And if you're interested in CO2 controller, you can send us your inquiry or pictures. We can find the same brand for you, or we can choose the brand for you, choose the model for you. That is no problem, okay? And welcome all the interviews in our live broadcast. Hi, Freddy. Welcome to our live broadcast. Welcome for our live broadcast. Hi, Mohammed. Welcome to our live broadcast. If you are the owner or the manufacturer of the food related, we have the tunnel freezer for your choice. We have the blast freezer for your choice. This is our handbell auto low compressor chiller, which is under the testing. of the water temperature. Hi! If you're interested in our cold room, you can send us your basic requirements. Hello, friends. This is our barrel pump unit. It is raining now to release the pressure because we have done the test before. Hello, friends. Hello, all the friends. Hello, everyone. Welcome to visit our live broadcast. We are broadcasting from the factory of refrigeration equipment. Refrigeration equipment is mainly used for the food processing and logistic line. It can supply the low temperature storage of the food, and for all kinds of low temperature storage is also okay. This is a compressor, Bitter compressor, Bitter brand compressor, Bitter Germany. This is a barrel pump unit. It's huge barrel pump. Barrel pump unit with a hermetic pump and with the electronic control box. Barrel pump unit. CO2 barrel pump unit is widely used as a barrel pump skid. Now we design it for the big logistic cold room and storage room. It can be designed at maximum 40 cubic meter with high pressure bearing capacity and large liquid storage ability, and long distance of high range with hermetic pumps. CO2 barrel pump unit can be widely used on the secondary refrigerant for the update of the current Freon cooling system and NH3 system. It is the good choice at this requirement of the environmental-friendly cooling system, and it has lowered the cost of the consumption than Freon and NH3 cooling, especially for the big cooled room project. If you are the owner of the big cooled room and want to update the current equipment to CO2 system in the future, you can start with replace with a CO2 barrel pump skid and air cooler first. That will be an efficient way to change the old equipment step by step. We also design it as a size suitable for sea transport, and we have the engineer for your solution design and installation guidance. And the NH3 system. It's the good choice for today's requirement of environmental-friendly cooling system. It has a lower cost of the consumption than Freon and NH3 cooling, especially for the big cooled room project. If you are the owner of the big cooled room and want to update the current equipment to CO2 system in the future, you can start with replace with CO2 barrel pump skid and air coolers first, and it will be the efficient way to change the old equipment step by step. We also design it the size suitable for sea transport. And we have the engineer for your solution design and guidance, solution and installation guidance. This is our CO2 barrel pump unit. CO2 barrel pump unit is widely used as the barrel pump skid. Now we design it for the big logistic cold room and storage cold room. It can be designed at max
14 millimeters with high pressure bearing capacity and large liquid storage ability, and a long distance of the head range with hermetic pumps. CO2 barrel pump unit can be widely used on the secondary refrigerant for the update of the current flaring cooling system and NH3 system. It is a good choice at today's requirement of the environment-friendly cooling system, and it has lowered the cost of the consumption than free and NH3 cooling, especially for the big cool room project. If you are the owner of the big cool room and want to update the current equipment to CO2 system in the future, you can start with replace with a CO2 barrel pump skid and air coolers first. That will be an efficient way to change the old equipment step by step. We also designed the size suitable for the sea transport, and we have the engineer for your solution design and installation guidance. This is our parallel compressor unit. Arkref supplied piston compressor unit and screw compressor unit with max 10 size on one rack. With a cooling capacity in 500 kW one rack. Normally use Bizarre compressor HSN series, CSH series with big capacity, together with the electrical control box, liquid receiver, oil separator, oil collector, suction accumulators, famous brand valves, suction dampers, Emerson, EMG, and others. LG, Carroll, ETAG, top class configuration and best performance. Equipped with air cooler inside the cool room, together supply a wonderful cooling system. If you are interested in parallel compressor units, please contact our sales manager. We collect some common questions from clients. Maybe you have same problem. Now I will answer you with these questions. What is the shipping cost? It depends on the delivery way and the shipping terms you choose. Please contact our sales manager for detailed information. Questions. Location of your company. We located in Shenzhen High-Tech Park of Jiangsu, Jinan City, China. We have our own office building and production lines there. Question. Why your price is higher than other suppliers? We offer better service and stricter quality control. Thus, our cost of management is higher. We don't attract customers by low price. but we hope to create long-term relations because our reliable quality and professional after-sales service. Questions. Do I need to pay freight if I buy samples? Yes, please understand the freight will be on your side. But if we can get to the situation of big orders, we will talk about it and see if we can debug the freight from your first payment to us. Do you have any certificate? Answer. Our company has ISO and CE certificate. We are a distributor that has cooperated with Beazer for 20 years. Besides, we are the authorized distributor of Cairo refrigeration controls. If you have any questions, please contact our sales manager. Questions. What countries do your customers come from? Mexico, Bulgaria, Chile, Peru, and the Philippines in industrial attack. Hello, welcome to our live stream. And now we are in Shandong Shenzhou Refrigeration Equipment Factory. And now you maybe have some questions. Who is Arkref? Arkref is a Shandong Shenzhou Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited brand name. Arkref originating from Refrigeration Technology Service Department of Shandong Institute of Commerce and Technology in 1989 is a company specialized in research, design, production, sales and service of refrigeration equipment. It has obtained ISO and CE certificate. Our factory is located in Shengjing High-Tech Park of Jiangsu, Jinan City, China. Its main products include reseparating and screw parallel compressor unit, low temperature bring unit, condensing unit, purity CO2 systems, secondary refrigerant systems, CO2 cascade systems, digital screw compressor unit, floated pump unit, and supporting electric control systems. These products are widely applied to industries of food, medicine, chemistry, scientific research, logistics, and brewing. Its sales network covers the whole country, and the products are also being imported to Southeast Asia, Africa, and development countries in Europe and America. Undertaking the mission of committed to the innovation and application of refrigeration technology, strive for the good life of human beings. The company ensures the continuous improvement of product quality by using advanced SAP management system, gradually transforming the method of pipeline production, adopting advanced production method and equipment, and applying strict quality assurance system and control system. It has won long-term support and cooperation opportunities from the customers and has built a favorable brand image through providing a full set of refrigeration equipment and solutions for the different needs of clients. We are a professional refrigeration equipment manufacturer with more than 30 years refrigeration experience. We have established our own research and development center and formed a research development team with capacities. We welcome and support ODM and OEM orders, customized according to your needs. This is our parallel compressor unit. Arkref supply piston compressor unit and screw compressor unit with a cooling capacity in 501 rack. Normally, we use Beatler compressor HSN series, CSH series with big capacity, together with the electronic control box, liquid receiver, oil separator, oil collector, suction accumulator, famous brand valves, suction such as Danfoss, Emerson, AMD, etc. Others with Siemens, LG, Carroll, etc. Top class configuration and best performance. Equipped with air cooler inside the cool room. Together supply a wonderful cooling system. Let's go and check our industry chiller. Arkref is professional low-temperature industrial chiller manufacturer. We focus on the dairy processing, chemical, medical, raw material production, and processing industry. Supply ultra-low green global chiller. The water outlet temperature can be minus 20 degrees. This is our industrial chiller. Siphon chiller with Beatler compressor HSN series water. Outlet temperature can reach minus 40 degrees. Siphon double stage chiller with Hemel double stage compressor LT series. Water outlet temperature can reach minus 60 degrees. Chiller performance will be whole tested before shipment. That's the unique design technology of Arkref. Price and quality is competitive than other Europe countries. And for this one, it's already finished production with Siemens controller, electronic consumption panel, and fault alarm emergency stop button. And we have the side over there with the compressor 1 switch, compressor 2 switch. We have 2 compressors and inside circulation pump switch and spare inside circulation pump switch. And inside
We use PLC controller, and PLC controller Siemens brand, and we also use EVD Carol, and this EVD control it together with the central controller, and the other we use Chinet and Siemens brand, also with Siemens, also with very good performance and very good quality. And this is a hand valve with off and on with the AQF power. This is for the AQF machine, so this is AQF power over there. You can close. Okay, and for the behind, we have two sets of CSH compressors, and for the best performance of the whole chiller. And this is our barrel pump unit. We use CO2 as a secondary refrigeration, and with a suction accumulator on that side, equipped with 3 sets of 75 horsepower compressors, Humble LT series, and this is a maintenance unit that is designed by our own self. We equipped with 2 sets of hermetic pump. And 2 sets of oil filters that with very good performance. Okay, let's go see our unique design. Our special design of the cabinet. Our special design of the cabinet that you can replace the for this you can place the red wine in this case. And this is a refrigeration power. Not very much like the refrigerator, but because it has a better performance on the whole system. And this is a unit for the raining, to supply the power over there. And this is a panel. This is a raining panel, and this is the electronic heater for the right wire. Electronic heater for the right wire. We also use Siemens brand, and this is Sunfire brand, and this is EVSD brand. Yeah, Carol brand. Okay, on the side of the controller is the PLC controller, which have the big screen outside. You can see the temperature and the running current situation on all sides, and it has a system alarm and the emergency stop button. Close it. The outside looking is very good at the black outside, very classified and very top class. And you can place the red wine over there, the beverage, or you can tear it apart, use it to place the flowers. It is very good performance and very suitable for your home use. This is also our low temperature chiller. Arkref is a professional low temperature industrial chiller manufacturer. We focused on the dairy processing, chemical, medicine, raw material production and processing industry. Supply ultra-low brink local chiller. The water all-light temperature can be at -20 degrees. Siphon chiller with Whistler compressors HSN series. The water ultra-light temperature can reach -40 degrees. Siphon double-stage chiller with Humble double-stage compressor LT series. Water all-light temperature can reach -60 degrees. Chiller performance will be the whole tested before shipping. This is the unique design technology of Arkref. Price and quality is competitive than other Europe countries. And many of the clients in our live stream, we have the questions. If you have, you can leave your questions in the comment area. First question is, who are we? We are Arkref. Arkref is the brand of Shandong Shenzhou refrigeration equipment, which is mainly focused on the refrigeration system. Refrigeration system related production, equipment, accessories, we can all supply it for you, and also for the HVAC system. This is one of our warehouse. In our next live stream, I will show you the other warehouse of the other workshop of our factories to show you more details of our productions. We can also make IQF machines and blast freezers, air coolers, heat pump related products. And if you are interested, you are very welcome to follow us. Please hit the follow button and give us more and more likes, and to keep the update of the very first news. This is a flow switch. The compact chiller design will save much more room and will save much more cost on the machine room construction. It is very easy to maintain and very easy to running, and usually it can work at 20 hours no breakdown with the best performance. We design it, we test it before the shipment, and also this is one of our customized colors with the dark gray. We have the other color with the silver with the light silver that I can show you later. And I will check with one double-stage compressors, which is also suitable to combine with the tunnel freezer. This one is 3 sets of 75 horsepower LT series Humble double-stage screw compressors. It is widely used to connected with the tunnel freezer. Everyone should know tunnel freezer. If you are the engineer or the owner of the food processing factory, tunnel freezer is widely used on the food processing and fish meat freezing. It has the advantages of big freezing capacity from 100 kg to 5,000 kg per hour. It is the most efficient way to short the food processing time. Arkref has over 30 years experience on the food-related IQF and BQF system. We provide full solution together with tunnel freezer and compressor unit and evaporative condenser or air-cooled condenser. That is optional. We use high COP compressor unit, which can save 20% on the power consumption. Also, with our experience on IQF system, we can choose the best solution for you. We support with the online installation guidance and oversee engineer commissioning. If you are the owner of the food factory or you are the engineer company, you won't be miss the good opportunity of the good discount and the free technical solution design on this live broadcast. Our IQF has sold to Europe, Mexico, Peru, Chile, Thailand, etc. It is highly priced by the customers. Here are some videos for your check in the details in our workshop, in our and for the IQF, this compressor unit can equip with spiral freezer. Spiral freezer can be used for the food individual freezing. We have single spiral freezer and double spiral freezer for you to choose. It has the advantages of the huge cooling capacity. It can freeze at maximum 5,000 kg with the double spiral freezer. If you have the big freezing quantity requests and also have enough room to place this machine with your height of 3 meters approximately, it will be your best choice. And second one is plate freezer. Plate freezer is commonly used for the fish freezing on the other products with big size. We sold it as a whole fish freezing in the plate. It can freeze the fresh fish in 1 hour with a capacity from 100 kg to 1,000 kg to 2,000 kg per hour. And also it has a smaller size, can be transported together. no installation problems on site. Very suitable for the small fish freezer. It has many applications on the belt tunnel freezer. It can be used on all kinds of products such as dumplings, pizza, fish, shrimp, meat, beef, dough, ice cream, sandwich, sushi, etc. It has longer legs than the others two freezers. It is much more suitable for the food processing line. Also with big freezing capacity, it is a wholesale one. Once again, who is Arkref? Arkref is for those who are not familiar to our brand, here are some important things you need to know. Arkref is actually the brand name for Shandong Shenzhou Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited. The company is specialized in research, design, production, sales, and service of refrigeration equipment. Summing up. If any fans are interested in any product and want to see it, you can leave your comments in the comment area. I will show you. And finally, thank you all for watching today's live broadcast. And our next live broadcast will be doing on the time at 11 o'clock p.m. in the Pacific Standard Time on March 30. And don't miss our Elite Partner event exclusive discount up to 30% off on selection items. Please follow us and pay attention to our official account. The Elite Partner event is a monthly showcase of some of the top brands and manufacturer suppliers crossing different industries. You can find the Elite Partner event page by typing the word Elite into the search box on Alibaba.com. And remember to check back each month for the new supplier and offers. I also hope everyone can continue to pay attention to the latest development on Arkref. Looking forward to see you in the next live stream. Bye! 请开始。Hi guys, I'm Suki. Welcome to Elite Friday live stream from Elite Partner event. The Elite Partner event is